Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can deposit crypto into your GATEIO account. You'll learn how to deposit any kind of crypto into your GATEIO exchange account, and it's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of my GATEIO account. I've already signed into my GATEIO account. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to find and copy the deposit address of the crypto that you want to deposit into your GATEIO account. You have to first of all get the deposit address. So guys, now for you to get the deposit address of the crypto that you want to deposit into your GATEIO account, the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on deposit. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see on-chain deposit. You can see what's written there, send crypto transactions to your deposit address. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on on-chain deposit. So guys, now this is the point where you have to look for the crypto that you want to copy its deposit address. You have to look for the crypto that you want to deposit into your GATEIO account. So you have to scroll through all of these cryptocurrencies you can see here, or you can simply use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then what you can do now is to type in and search for the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit into your GATEIO account. Let me use USDT for an example. Let me use USDT. I want to deposit USDT into my GATEIO account. So what I will do now is to type in USDT. So let me do it right away. USDT. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see USDT right there. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see the search result. So what I have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Select deposit network. Please ensure the deposit network you select matches with the network used by the withdrawal platform. If the wrong network is selected, funds may be lost and cannot be recovered. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the network that you want to use to deposit the USDT crypto into your GATEIO account. As you can see here, we have several networks right here. The one I will go for is, which one am I going to go for? Let me go for BNB Smart Chain. You can see it right there, the second option. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, if I tap on it, let me get to explain this notice that I read earlier on. You can see they said if the wrong network is selected, fund may be lost and cannot be recovered. So guys, now when you go over to the withdrawal platform, the platform that you want to withdraw the USDT, the crypto to, and deposit it into your GATEIO account, when you go over to the withdrawal platform, make sure you select the network that you selected here. You can see I want to select BNB Smart Chain. So in my withdrawal platform, I'm going to make sure that I select BNB Smart Chain network. So guys, that's how it works. Make sure the networks are the same. And also, if it's someone else that is going to deposit the USDT into your GATEIO account, what you have to do is to make sure you let the person know the network that you chose. So if the person is sending the USDT into your GATEIO account, the person will have to choose this network that you selected right here. So guys, it's very important. So guys, now let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on BNB Smart Chain. So guys, now you can see my USDT crypto deposit address. You can see it right there being encircled. So guys, now if I want to copy this my deposit address for USDT on the network of BNB Smart Chain, what I have to do now is to tap on this copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it now to copy it. So guys, now you can see copied. Now I've been able now to copy my USDT crypto deposit address. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go over to the withdrawal platform, the platform from which you want to withdraw the USDT, from which you want to withdraw the crypto. The platform can be a wallet or an exchange. So guys, now I'm going to be using my BitGet exchange as an example. So let me use my BitGet exchange as my withdrawal platform. So let me tap on my BitGet app to open it right away. So guys, now you can see my BitGet app is opening. So guys, now you can see my BitGet app has opened up. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to withdraw the USDT, in order to withdraw the crypto from your BitGet exchange account and then deposit it into your GATEIO account, is to tap on where you can see assets. So let me tap on assets. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on withdraw. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on crypto. You can see crypto is selected. This is the point where you have to search for the crypto that you want to withdraw. So guys, now let me tap on the search icon so I can find it easily. So let me tap on the search icon real quick. Then what I'll do next now is to type in USDT. Let me type in the crypto USDT. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the crypto right there, USDT. So what I have to do now is to select it. So let me select it right away. Then what I will do now is to tap on on-chain withdrawal. You have to select the withdrawal type, which is on-chain withdrawal. So let me tap on it. So as now you can see at the top there, the crypto selected is USDT. Remember, the crypto I want to deposit into my GATEIO account is also USDT. Then let's go over to the next step, which is withdrawal network. So guys can see the withdrawal network selected is a 20 Binance Smart Chain, which is the same thing with the one on our GATEIO account, the deposit address that we copied. So guys, in case that's not what is showing there, you can tap on this drop down icon to change it. So let me tap on the drop down icon, so you're going to see the various networks that are available. So guys, now you can see the various networks that are available there, the 20 ton, Solana, TRX, ECRO. You can see there are so many networks right there, but the right one you have to go for is the first one, which is the 20 Binance Smart Chain, which is the same thing for the address that we copied from our GATEIO account. So guys, now let me select it right away. So guys, now the next step now is to go over to the withdrawal address. You have to enter the withdrawal address right there. So guys, let me go ahead now to paste it. I copied it some minutes ago, so let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my withdrawal address. You can see it right there. So now the next step now is to impute the withdrawal amount. You have to impute the amount of USDT crypto that you want to withdraw from your Bitget account. So guys, let me impute it right away. Let me just impute 20 USDT. So guys, now you can see I've imputed 20 right there. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. But before I do that, you can see that the fee is 0 USDT. So I'm not being charged anything. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw real quick. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see the next step, they're asking me to confirm the order. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see here's the security verification step. So I have to get a code from my email address and also a code from my Google Authenticator app. So guys, let me get them right away. So guys, now you can see withdrawal order submitted. Immediately I imputed the codes from my email and also my Google Authenticator app. This is the next step that it brought me to. You can see withdrawal order submitted. So guys, what I will do now is to go over to view status to see if it has been withdrawn, if it has been successful. Let me tap on view status right away. So guys, now you can see submitted, approved, processing. So let's just wait a few seconds. You can see 20 USDT. So let me go back now. Let me go over to my assets. So guys, now you can see what's written there. 1 withdrawals are being processed. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see there 20 USDT successful. Let me tap on it to see the details. So guys, now you can see successful 20 USDT. You can see the time and the date, which is exactly just now. You can see the withdrawal address. You can see the withdrawal network and also the withdrawal type, which is normal withdrawal. So guys, what I'll do now is to go over to my GATEIO account to see if the 20 USDT has been deposited into my GATEIO account. I have to confirm if I've actually received it. So let me minimize real quick. Then let me go over to my GATEIO account. So guys, now you can see my GATEIO account is opening again. So guys, you can see once again I'm on the home page of my GATEIO account. So what I'll do now is to go and confirm if actually I've received it. So now to do that, I have to tap on assets. So let me tap on assets. So guys, already I can see that my balance has increased. My balance used to be 0, but now it is 20. This to confirm that 20 USDT has been deposited right there. So guys, now I can see it there under the spot. You can see there I have 20 USDT right there. So guys, now to further confirm this, what I have to do now is to tap on history. So let me tap on history. I want to check my transaction history. Let me check it out. So guys, now you can see transaction history. You can see the one that is there, USDT, which is on-chain deposit. You can see it right there. You can see the date and the time. So guys, now this to confirm that 20 USDT was deposited into my GATEIO account. So guys, let me go back now to the home page. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to deposit USDT or any kind of crypto at all into your GATEIO account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.